everybody. So today I'm going to teach you how to play the second part of for Elise. Starts right here. Okay. So you start on the second string. M, I, M. Your right hand. M, I, M on the second string, and then 0, 1, 3 on the second string. Okay. Then you move and make the shape of the C major chord, and you play P A I M, and then P M I, okay, and then you make the shape of the G major chord, and you play release. That finger that you released, you placed it on the fourth string, third fret, then 0 on the first string, and then with your fourth finger, you place it on the third fret of the second string. Okay, I will play again those two measures. Release. And then you place the A minor chord. Three on the second string. 1. And then you move to the E minor chord. Will be like. Now, careful, because here, look at this part in here. It tells you that you need to move your hand and find the 7th fret. Then the 9th fret on the third string. 7 again. And then 0. And then 9. This one in here. This one is 9. Look. And then this 12. It's an harmonic. That means that you are barely going to touch the first string on the 12th fret and release. Let me play measure 20 and 21. It would be like. And you stop there for a moment because as you can see here, you have this fermata, this like that looks like an eye, like a cyclops eye. That tells you that you need to stop for a moment. And then you start here where it says 8. 0, 8, 0, switch to 4 in the second string. And then you start all over again, the first part that you already know. You see that I came here, and this will take me back to measure 17 again and start all over again. Right? Okay, so let me play the entire part so that you can hear it. I will play it slow. 1, 2. sorry. I will do it again because that was not good. So, starts here. B. And then you move to the second here. This is the end of the song. So the second time that you play, you do not play this part. Okay, hopefully this helps you to play the song well. Bye.